as a king. He goes by the name, it's Burna.
Here before 3 o'clock. Want the sweat drop on me, want the carbon monoxide drop on me, I want the speed drop on me, everything drop on me. No, you don't understand, sir.
So what's your favorite Burna Boy song?
I have to be honest, they all kind of sound the same to me. But I mean, this is really a great event for Jamaica.
Them go pray me will fall and stagger, so I'm moving cloak and dagger.
Thousands of Jamaicans holding their breath for this one. Afrobeat superstar Burna Boy's eagerly awaited, not to mention heavily promoted, concert in Kingston. The National Stadium not seeing numbers like this for a stage show since Buju Banton packed in expectant Jamaicans for Long Walk to Freedom in 2019. Sunday's crowd hyped up by sound selectors, along with a chatty Miss Kitty. Before Lila Ake, the first of the night's bill performers appeared. The Where I'm Coming From singer fashion forward and hitting all the right notes with the stadium crowd. There were early warning signs of what was to be a recurring theme Sunday, sound dropouts, but Leela, for the most part, unscathed. Not so Popcorn, who was up next. The unruly boss looking like sustaining Leela's momentum with a dancehall edge, but seen rather than heard. The family DJ exiting the stage while technicians try to sort out the bad audio.
It's what happened? What did I hear? What? I don't want to curse.
He returned and completed his set, which included walk-ons by Beres Hammond, which had folks almost losing it, and current love interest, former Miss World Tony Ann Singh, for a bit of duetting. And, well, cuddling. But alas, more audio aggro. Showgoers quick to register difficulty hearing, but in anticipation of Burna Boy also making a lot of good-humoured noise, which sort of exploded when Burna hit the stage.
Jamaica! Everybody say Burna!
Stadium singing along to the track list. Who knew they knew them all?
Hold you for my hand. Hold you for my hand. Don't know how to show you my love without fucking love. But if I buy you a new baby.
But the Nigerian also burnt by the poor sound.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Clearly enjoyed himself. And they loved every minute, at least what they could hear.
Pretty annoying. I don't know why I expected it, kind of, but you just have to make do.
We need to do better. But I still loved it because like he was professional with it, so it wasn't really affecting us. It was just really a high energy performance, and I loved it.
I come from Italy. I'm there in Jamaica. I know Burna Boy in Kingston. He performed because he loved Jamaica.
It was absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. I mean, apart from the few hitches, you know, here and there, the performances were great. Leela was good, Popcorn was good, bringing out Tony was so, you know, surprising. And of course, you know, Burna Boy did his thing. Like, he did not disappoint.
Burna Boy, exquisite.
Think you got your money's worth?
Plus tax.
In the aftermath of the Burna Boy concert, Popcorn took to social media to accuse one of the organizers of sabotaging his set.
But Unruly Boss break spelled a long time.
For its part, Solid Agency, one of the promoters, issued a statement acknowledging and apologizing for the technical problems, along with what it said were flaws in crowd control, particularly in Ultra VIP. For many, though, an unforgettable night.